Alright, we got the welder, we got the helmets, gloves, power tools, and most importantly, speaker. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm at home and ready to work. It's been a couple days. Videos are coming late, I'm sorry, but I gotta make sure I got all my supplies, all the parts I need to get this done. So, got the welding necessities, got the cutting necessities, got the fan going, and here is a 3-inch cat back from DNA Motoring. I'll talk about that here in a little bit. I'm gonna get you guys set up on tripod. Yes, I haven't painted this as yet. Since I put it in the car, I didn't take it off, but I'm gonna take it off today though. Exhaust manifold, the headers are coming off, so we can put the turbo manifold on, install the turbo, and start mocking up this downpipe.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go.
I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. With this heat shield is not gonna work. So, might have scrapped the whole idea. Or I am going to have to cut this off the muffler. Wait, I'm confused. Let me get to the down there. This here I am. I'm so glad I moved. So this, I'm gonna have to cut it off. Right where the elbow is. I might have cut that right there. To go to this? To get a flange weld onto it to bolt up to that. I need it from here to here.
Oh, that's a practically perfect.
Yeah, because it's gonna come down, connect into this one to go forward.
So your goal is to keep this entirely?
Yes. I don't want no fart can on my car. Well guys, we're stuck again.
I was about to make a joke.
Don't make no jokes.
I won't. I'll see y'all guys later.
It ain't fun. It ain't fun. I need a different turbo top mount manifold. Don't break my stuff, man. And I need a 2-bolt 3-inch flange because I need to cut this. That's all over the place. I need to cut this right in here. Weld a flange to it so it can bolt up to that. And then we can start working our way forward and get to the front whenever the downpipe does come down. So back to the drawing board. I gotta go do some internet searching tonight. I need a different top mount manifold to move the turbo where I want it to. Complications, I'll show you. Right in here, that stud is hitting the log manifold. The bolts at the bottom are hard to get to, and the turbo's right here.
Which is
I'm not losing this heat shield. I'm not. I'm using it. So the turbo needs to come forward out of the way so I can do the downpipe. This is the manifold I need to move the turbo forward. So in about 2 weeks, I'll be able to buy it. Boom. Stopping out the exhaust, turbo manifold. We can't really go anywhere. So, I don't know. On to the next video, whatever that is going to be. Appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad news.